Imagine being awake during your own brain surgery. For the thousands of East Texans suffering from Parkinson's disease, deep brain stimulation has become a life-changing reality. April is Parkinson's Awareness Month, and tonight, KLTV7's Larry Livingston explains this breakthrough medical procedure and also how it may not just be for Parkinson's patients anymore.
Today, Donna Hayes took us down her own personal medical miracle, memory lane.
And all of a sudden, the wires go in, they hit the right spot, and it's so nice. I mean, it's just, I guess, like it'd be go to heaven. Yeah, your body's just finally relaxed.
Donna was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease 10 years ago.
I could not go to the bathroom by myself. I could not feed myself. I couldn't be at home alone. I couldn't drive.
She underwent deep brain stimulation surgery last September and was awake as doctors drilled 2 holes into her head.
Do you feel the Indian
right there? Wow.
And then feel there's wires here?
I feel the wires. Wow.
Opening the holes helped doctors figure out which part of her brain needed to be stimulated to ease the tremors. Once the target area is identified, electrodes are implanted during a separate surgery. Wires are then fed to a tiny pacemaker-like device placed in the patient's chest. The pacemaker regulates the brain waves, keeping Donna tremor-free. The difference is day
The power's on right now.
and night.
Wow.
Giving medications by mouth is a great idea, except it's like taking a can of paint in the room, putting a cherry bomb in it, and say, I'm going to paint the walls. You're going to paint a lot more than the walls. This is the first treatment that actually gets the whole thing from the target.
Neurologist Dr. George Plotkin says patients with Parkinson's are not the only ones benefiting from the procedure. It's also being used to help treat patients with obsessive-compulsive disorder and other movement disorders. The overall goal, he says, is to restore some sense of normalcy.
They get back to being themselves.
Something Donna Hayes is already appreciating. Larry Livingston, KLTV 7 News.
Dr. Plotkin says 1 to 2 deep brain surgeries are performed each week. More than 1.5 million people suffer from Parkinson's. This weekend, the East Texas chapter of the American Parkinson Disease Association will host its annual walkathon at Rose Rudman Trail. The event kicks off around 10. For registration information, just go to kltv.com and click on the big red box. That is where you will find the APDA link.